Hello everyone. So right now the video you are watching is a part 2 of the fire extinguisher lab or the carbon dioxide production lab. This is a part 2. If you have not watched part 1 yet, you should go back to watch part 1 and then watch part 2. So at part 2, we'll continue to do our second trial. Okay. So when I'm moving around, you might not be able to hear me carefully. So just remember the second trial, we are using 0.50 gram of baking soda. The third trial is 0.75 gram of baking soda. And then the fourth trial, which is the last one, is 1.00 gram of baking soda. And all of the trials, we only use 5 milliliters of vinegar. And then your job is to watch the lab and then to see each time how many milliliters of carbon dioxide is produced. Record the data. And then also at the end of your lab handout, it asks you how to improve the lab. So you also should watch the lab carefully to looking for ways to improve it. Okay, so right now I'm doing the second trial with 0.50 gram of baking soda. So here is 0.50 baking soda. I'm going to get into this bottle. So make sure all get in. Now making sure all get in. Okay, and then this is my syringe. I'm going to get 5 milliliters of vinegar. Okay, so this is 5 milliliters of vinegar. So put the rubber stopper on and then deliver this 5 in and then watching how high the plunger would rise. Make sure this one is stuck in. Okay, so now it's rising. When it stops, I will bring this one closer for you to see how many milliliters of carbon dioxide is produced. It's still rising. Still rising. I just swirling to make sure the reaction is going on. Still rising. Okay, it seems like it stopped. So I will bring the syringe close for you to see. Okay, this is the result of the second trial with 0.5 gram of baking soda. Okay, can you see? Okay, so I'm going to stop. So make sure you have already seen, record the volume carefully. Okay, so in between, I'm rinse this one carefully. I'm rinsing this one and then make sure there's no excess liquid inside. Okay, this one I'm going to use 0.75 gram. And then again, get 5 milliliters of vinegar. Okay, and then do the same thing. Deliver the 5 and then seal the mouth of the container. Okay, this 5 is going to get in. Make sure you can see this. Okay. Seal this one carefully. You can see the rising. Okay, still rising. Still rising. And then swirl a little bit. Okay, still rising. Kind of slowed down, but still rising. Okay, close to stop. Oh, not really, still moving. Now I think it's pretty much stopped. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop now to show you, okay? So here is the reading. From the direction. Focus. Okay. So here is 40, 45. This one is 50. So you have a read. Okay? Okay, we are at the last one. We are doing 1 gram. Okay, I'm going to rinse this bottle. And make sure there's no clean and no excess liquid inside. Okay, the bottle is clean. And then the last one is 1 gram of baking soda goes in. Make sure they're all in. You see, quite a lot. Go this. I'm looking for which direction you can see better here. And then my job is to get exactly 5 milliliters of vinegar every time. Okay. Sorry guys, I forgot to speak loudly. So 5 milliliters I'm getting. Okay. Got 5 milliliters here now. Put my rubber stopper and then deliver this. Seal completely. You can see the reaction, and then the plunger is rising. Ooh, good reaction. Guys, thank you for your patience. We're almost done, okay? When we finish this one, you are done with the video part 2, and the part 2 is the last part. Okay, make sure this part is sealed. And then make sure the reaction is keep going on. So still rising. Okay, kind of close to stop. Keep going. Okay, this part is almost, from my end, is almost stopped, as you see. Okay, so I think it's pretty much stopped. Okay, I'm going to stop this one. Okay, for you to see, the focus on here. Okay, so you can see the reading. This one is 15, this one is 20, 25. Do you see where your reading is? Okay, I'm going to stop here. But your result is kind of interesting, right? Your volume of carbon dioxide keep rising, and then this one does not rise anymore. So consider what kind of conclusion you will make. So I'm going to stop here. If you have questions, before you submit, you should ask. Okay? And then thank you for watching. Okay, bye for now.